In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an inventory adjustment in QuickBooks. Start on the QuickBooks site with your account already logged in. You should be on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. From here, go to the search bar at the top of the screen and click into it. As soon as you do that, a search panel will slide out. In that panel, you'll see a recent transactions list showing the latest entries saved in your company file. Now find the inventory adjustment you want to remove. In the recent transactions list, look for the row labeled Inventory Qty Adjustment. Match it to the item that was adjusted. The item name shown in the instructions is Rock Fountain, so look for the row connected to that item. Once you find the correct row, click it to open the adjustment. The Inventory Quantity Adjustment form will open. This screen shows the details of the stock change, including the adjustment date, the inventory adjustment account, the product line, and the quantity change that was entered. Before deleting anything, confirm that this is the correct transaction. First, check the adjustment date in the top left area of the form. In the instructions, that date is 03/24/2026. Make sure the date on your screen matches the adjustment you intend to remove. Next, look just below the date for the inventory adjustment account. In the instructions, that account is inventory shrinkage. Confirm that the account shown here is the one tied to the adjustment you want to delete. Then move down to the previous adjustments table. In that table, confirm the product or variant is the item you adjusted. In the instructions, that item is Rock Fountain. Also confirm that the change in Qty value matches the quantity that was set up. In the instructions, that value is 3. After that, go to the memo field at the bottom of the form and read it so you know this is the exact adjustment you intend to remove. Once you've confirmed everything, go to the bottom of the form. In the bottom center footer, click the Delete button. A confirmation dialog will appear asking, "Are you sure you want to delete this?" Click Yes to confirm the deletion. QuickBooks will return you to the dashboard or to the previous screen, depending on how your session is behaving. At the top, you should see a green confirmation banner that says, "Inventory Qty Adjustment deleted." That message confirms the transaction has been removed. Now verify that the stock change was undone. Move to the left sidebar and hover over Sales. A submenu will appear. In that submenu, click Products and Services. This opens the product list where you can check the item's current stock value. In the list, find the row for the item you adjusted. In the instructions, the item is Rock Fountain, so locate that product in the table. Once you found the row, look across to the Qty on Hand column. This number should now be rolled back to the original value. In the instructions, the original value is 2, and the adjusted value had been 5. After deletion, the Qty on Hand should show 2 again, not 5. At this point, the inventory adjustment has been removed from QuickBooks. The item quantity on hand has returned to what it was before the adjustment was posted. With that adjustment gone, related inventory records and financial reporting recalculate based on the updated transaction history. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That completes the process of deleting an inventory adjustment in QuickBooks and undoing the stock change. You began on the QuickBooks Online dashboard. Open the search bar, use the Recent Transactions panel to locate the Inventory Qty Adjustment entry, and open the adjustment form. You confirmed the date, the inventory adjustment account, the item, the quantity change, and the memo. Then deleted the transaction and confirmed the warning prompt. After QuickBooks displayed the green deleted banner, you checked Products and Services under Sales and verified that the Qty on Hand value had returned to the original amount. The adjustment is now gone and the stock change has been fully reversed.